Triple E, one sentence. I mean, there's so much here that even one sentence would be tough. But I mean, if I had to do it, I would definitely have to be, aerospace manufacturing at its finest.
It's a great place to gain experience and knowledge for the industry.
Triple Inc. has been a trusted name in the aerospace and defense industry since 1951. We started out with one location and have expanded to 3 locations within the last 10 years. We machine over 900 different parts, which is far from where we started 70 years ago.
Triple Inc. specializes in complex machining. For many years, we've been known for matched valves, spools and sleeves that are matched to tight tolerances, but we're more than that. From rotors to housings to gimbals for satellites to camera mounts to manifolds, Triple can do it.
I take the most pride in making very close tolerance parts that I know that if my work wasn't done properly, it would affect people's lives.
Triple Inc. is an AS9100 NADCAP certified company with an outstanding history of delivering the highest quality product to our customers on time. Every employee at Triple Inc. is dedicated to delivering the best possible product to our customers and take great pride in meeting and exceeding customer expectations.
Being in quality assurance, I take pride in making sure that we ship good parts to the customer and everything gets out the door in a timely manner.
I take pride in everything I do. I try to pass on what Bronco taught me to the younger kids that are coming in. Some of them are catching on, and it really makes me proud to be part of that.
Triple has a great workforce that is well qualified and highly capable. We focus on cross-training and continuous improvement, always striving to be better. We have a Department of Labor approved apprenticeship program where those people are paired with mentors, exploring multiple departments and learning how to become a machinist. The team we have at Triple is world class.
We like to make sure that we have everyone trained regularly and hope that anytime they have any questions whatsoever, we're going to be there to help.
I take pride in doing a good job. My coworkers are really patient and encouraging that I do that.
Not only do they care about the work that we do, it's also they care about the people.
The employees, a lot of us get along together really well.
When you're able to implement something that you can see on a daily basis and ask around the shop and see that it's having a lasting value.
Technology and manufacturing is rapidly changing and Triple continues to advance along with the industry. Triple has an asset investment strategy that includes staying at the forefront of technology, including new equipment like our 5-axis CNC mill with a pallet system, new Sinker EDM machine, and cutting-edge inspection equipment. We also are improving our digital infrastructure, including advances in our ERP system, cybersecurity, and data collection.
Triple Incorporated has a bright future. I'm proud to say we have a great team of well-qualified and capable people. We continue to make investments in equipment and latest technologies. We are ready for new opportunities from our current customers and expanding to new aerospace clients.